Welcome back to our chapter-wise summary of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. Today we're diving into Chapter 4, Mental Healings in Ancient Times. Dr. Murphy shows us that the idea of healing through the mind is not new. Even thousands of years ago, people believed in the healing power of thoughts and faith. In ancient temples, patients were told they would be healed. They believed it deeply, and because of that belief, their bodies began to heal. This chapter teaches us a key point. The subconscious mind responds to belief. When you truly believe you can be healed, the healing process begins. The method used didn't matter, whether it was a ritual, prayer, or suggestion. What mattered was faith and belief. Here's a simple example. If someone said a special prayer while deeply believing it would heal their pain, the subconscious would act on that belief, and healing would follow. The lesson here? Healing is not just about medicine. It's also about what you believe deep inside your mind. That wraps up Chapter 4. Ancient people understood the power of belief, and now so can you. In Chapter 5, we'll explore how modern mental healing works, and how you can use it today. Like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next part of this inspiring series.